Ladies and gentlemen, by name I'm called Captain Aile Ali Farmula. I've got a poem here for you to listen. Diabetes, diabetes, diabetes. Diabetes, who are you? Where do you come from? And where are you going? Diabetes, you kill so many people in this world. Children, youth, and elderly. Poor, middle class, and rich. Illiterate, educated, diploma holders, degree holders, masters, PhD holders, doctors, teachers, lawyers, presidents, and even engineers, and so many others, other professions. Diabetes, you made me blind, you made me lame, you made me infertile, you made me paralyzed. Diabetes, if you could come, like that war where Ukraine invaded, no, that way Russia invaded Ukraine, you could have not got me or anybody in this world. You come steadfastly. Manake mafichi unakuja kuiba tu, unaiba hivi kuiba. Diabetes has no cure. It is just a matter of controlling it through food balance diet. Diabetes, you are a serial killer. Thank you. With the diabetes right now, I'm 15 years old. So diabetes, really it is there. What I'm asking to people who have got diabetes, diabetes can weaken you slowly until you will die. But don't go to those of natives, herbalists who actually try to deceive you, but they have got the medicine for diabetes. It's not there. Those are just people who want to con you with their money so that you die in the future. But if you depend on medical directives, you live long and you will survive. Thank you.
Thank you.